A crawl space is an unfinished, accessible area below the first floor of a building. The purpose of insulation is to enclose the living space in a thermal envelope. Therefore, if the space below a floor is unconditioned, either the floor or the walls below it must be insulated. For this job, you will need personal protective clothing, especially safety glasses, installation tools, and in most cases, a work light and, for your comfort and safety, knee pads. You will use either Comfort Therm underfloor insulation or Craft Face insulation. Insulation not only encloses the interior area in a thermally protective sheath, but also helps prevent moisture movement. It is important to note that with a Craft Face insulation, the facing is generally against the subfloor. There are two types of crawl spaces: vented, or open to the outside, or unvented, part of a basement. How and what is insulated depends on whether the space is vented or unvented. We'll start with installation procedures for vented crawl spaces. Usually, before any insulation is installed in either vented or unvented crawl spaces, the ground should be covered with sheets of 6 mil plastic film. The sheets should overlap each other by approximately 12 inches and extend a few inches up the walls. If the floor is low or there are safety hazards, be sure to wear a hard hat. Tape the film in place at the walls and hold the seams in place with tape, scrap lumber, or rocks. After the ground is covered, you're ready to install the insulation.